Hi everyone, in this video I am going to discuss generic class. First of all, I will discuss about the generic class syntax, then I will explain it with the help of an example. Over here, uh, the syntax of the generic class is class name followed by angle bracket, then type parameters. We can specify multiple type parameters, then close angle bracket, and then the body of the class. Here is one example: public class shape, and E is the type parameter, then followed by the class body, and we can define a shape of type rectangle. The rectangle is type argument, and we can instantiate it using new operator, new shape, angle bracket open, angle bracket close. And on the right side, we don't have to specify rectangle again, because compiler will infer the type by itself. Now let's look at the example. So here shape is our generic type. So here I have defined one private instance variable, then I have defined two methods, get shape and set shape. This shape is our generic class. Now I have defined one rectangle class, I have defined one length and breadth member variables, then I have defined one constructor, and all these are getter and setter methods. Then I have defined one area method and two string method. Similarly, for square class I have defined one member variable side, then I have defined one constructor and then getter setter and then area, and then I have overridden two string methods for printing it on console. In the main method, first I am creating a rectangle shape, then I am setting that rectangle shape into my generic rectangle shape type, and then I am printing it on the console. Similarly, we can do it for a square shape also. I can specify square type argument, and using new operator I can instantiate it, then I can define an instance of square data type. In the constructor I can pass the side of the square, and using the set shape method of generic method I can assign square in it. Now similarly I can print the value of area and to string. Now let me run this program. So you can see that first the rectangle to string method is printed. I am printing length and breadth of the rectangle, then I am printing the area of the rectangle over here. In the second, I'm just printing the toString. Let me change it to area, and let me run it again. Now you can see that the first line I'm printing the toString method of square, then the area of the square. So this is how we can use generic classes. Thanks.